So with 53, we're being asked to simplify, and we've been given radical 175. Well, we know that 175 is not a perfect square, so let's go ahead and break this radical up into good stuff, bad stuff. And since 175 is not a perfect square, what we're looking for is the largest perfect square that we can multiply by some other number that is not a perfect square to get 175. So if you're using your exponent or power cheat sheet that many of you have, what you'll want to do is look down the second power column, and you're looking for the largest number, largest perfect square in that column that you can multiply by some other number to get 175. And what you'll find is that 25 times 7 gives us 175. 25 is the largest perfect square that you can multiply by some other number to get 175. And the reason we want to do that, or this, is because maybe even though 175 isn't a perfect square, hidden inside 175 is a perfect square. And now that we've broken it down into good stuff, bad stuff, we know that the good stuff radical is going to come out free, clean, and clear. And what is radical 25? Well, that's just 5. And then we know that we always rewrite our bad stuff radical. And so our final simplified answer is 5 radical 7. And you can check yourself on the test. What you can do is in your calculator, you can put in radical 175, and that will give you some decimal. And why not? Let's go ahead and do it here and see if we can get the, let's see if it'll cooperate with us. There we go. And what we'll do is we will, there we go. All right, and again, you can't use a graphing calculator, but just for the sake of these videos recording, what we'll do is we'll put in radical 175. That gives us 13.2287565, so on. And now let's go ahead and put in 5 radical 7, and we should get the exact same decimal because these two things are equivalent. This 5 radical 7, however, is just simplified. And you see we get the exact same decimal. All right, so on a test, that is a way that you can confirm that you've simplified correctly. Whatever you say your simplified answer is should give you the exact same decimal as what you started with. And in this case, we do, and so we know that we've simplified correctly. 53, 5 radical 7.